Kisah dimulai dengan seorang pria bernama Charlie yang sedang merakit komponen pesawat di bengkel rumahnya. Istrinya, Sarah, datang meminta dibuatkan kopi sebelum berangkat ke London, Inggris,
You sound really sure
untuk
for
urusan
somebody who's that
pekerjaan
busy.
selama beberapa hari.
Something I'm trying to
To be watered Thursday morning.
find in.
Setelah mengantar kepergian Sarah, Charlie bergegas menuju kantornya. Di kantor, Charlie sempat berbincang dengan seorang teman lama sebelum akhirnya naik ke lift untuk masuk ke ruang kerja. Ia lalu menghubungi seorang anonim bernama Inquiline yang memberikan padanya kumpulan dokumen kepemimpinan dari tahun 2014 hingga tahun 2022.
Tell me again, how big is
Destination?
a major metro?
Christmas tree.
Oh, who's that?
Saved his life.
Saat proses enkripsi data berlangsung, Sarah menelpon dan memberitahu bahwa ia telah tiba di London.
I love you.
Untuk mencegah penyadapan, Charlie memindahkan pekerjaannya ke ruang kedap suara. Dalam pemeriksaan awal, Charlie menyadari dokumen itu telah diubah dan ditandatangani secara ilegal oleh Direktur Moore.
including French Special Forces.
Attack on local insurgents.
Carlos. Shouldn't have.
Within a department?
Keesokan harinya, ketika hendak masuk ruang kerja, Charlie bertemu Moore yang langsung mengajaknya menghadap pimpinan.
Charlie, I need you to come with me to the director's office.
Hi.
Hello, Charlie.
London.
An attack at the Chris.
Your wife has been killed.
No, she's
Story here in London, where a terror pitch, two individuals, sadly, the perpetrators forced their way.
This is footage we pulled.
Seusai pertemuan singkat dan penuh tanda tanya, Charlie diantar pulang temannya, Carlos. Lalu ia kembali menemui direktur, namun jawaban yang diterimanya sangat mengecewakan.
Handle this.
being held to account. Look. Just said what he said, only nicer.
Esoknya, Charlie datang untuk menjemput jenazah Sarah dan barang-barang miliknya di bandara. Di dalam koper, ia menemukan secarik pesan dari Sarah yang membuatnya bersumpah akan membalas kematian sang istri. Kembali ke kantor, Charlie membeberkan bukti keterlibatan kepada sebuah kelompok kriminal di hadapan para direktur.
Prince DNA all professionally scrubbed out. Heated inside. It spilled out into the corridor. The suspects are now in a race to leave the building. The man who took Sarah is Mishka.
Stay down,
We were arriving from St. Pancras Station, but were ordered. Processed all the CCTV, mercs, and defense groups. I'm still finding I
Alih-alih
have a current
membantu,
location.
sang direktur menilai Charlie terlalu berambisi dan menyarankan ia
You
bertemu
already
dengan
know about
The
psikiater.
whole network.
The network has no.
More.
I want them to go after Sarah's killers. There's more.
Charlie kemudian menyusun rencana balas dendam dengan ancaman akan menyebarkan barang bukti
You good here for a minute, buddy?
Executive.
I'm holding the highlights of the information that has been altered.
You lost your mind, to put it mildly.
Alia, I count more than one.
You have a goddamn clue.
See right here? You were forcing mission creep.
Okay, that's...
And your signatures are all over
We
the.
have a mission here.
The events 24 hours later yourselves.
Then what the hell do you want?
Ia menuntut pelatihan militer yang akhirnya akan ditangani oleh Henderson.
I want a fighting chance.
So let's play along.
I can't believe I'm doing.
Charlie.
70. Let's not assume.
Are you my a refresher course? Even though what you'll slight chance you may come out of this.
Gentlemen, please.
They work on printers.
Okay, so if he's...
You stand right there. Try it closer. Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
Meski latihan menembaknya buruk, Charlie tetap mengikuti kelas pembuatan bom rakitan.
Container for enhancements with you.
Can I keep this?
The 13th.
Day he downloaded.
Henderson juga melatihnya untuk tetap tenang di bawah tekanan serta mencari celah untuk pelarian.
No. You let the other ones know you're coming, and then what?
All right. Put your finger.
Come on, Charlie. Paralyzing, isn't it? Truth is, you don't have that kind of confidence in you. As much as
I'll pull the trigger.
when the
Break Heller's encryption.
Kecurigaan direktur memuncak setelah Charlie tiba-tiba melarikan diri. Sang direktur kemudian memeriksa tasnya dan mengungkap bahwa terdapat alat penyadap milik Charlie di dalam jepit kertas. Dengan paspor palsu, Charlie terbang ke Paris.
Apparently it wasn't tied down properly and got thrown around. Yeah?
Yeah.
Not crazy?
Second most.
Lit up an immigration on his way to Paris.
Untuk memantau sebuah kafe yang kerap dikunjungi oleh pembunuh Sarah, yaitu Gretchen Frank. Ia bahkan sempat menyusul ke apartemen Gretchen.
Je peux pas ouvrir la porte.
Setelah mengekstrak bahan-bahan beracun dari bunga matahari, Charlie kembali membutuhkan Gretchen di klinik kesehatan paru-paru.
No, that's not gonna. Her name was Sarah.
Upayanya berujung kejar-kejaran hingga Gretchen tewas tertabrak mobil. Dengan cepat, Charlie merebut handphone miliknya dan kabur dari lokasi kejadian. Charlie melanjutkan perjalanan ke Marseille, Prancis.
Job went south.
Ketika ia sedang berada di klub malam, tiba-tiba Henderson muncul, membuatnya lari untuk menyelamatkan diri.
Gretchen, Frank. And something you can't undo ever. Rare that is. But it ends.
Good teacher, Hendo. He's good at.
Setelah bernegosiasi singkat, Charlie menghubungi Inquiline dan memutuskan untuk terbang ke Istanbul, Turki.
You'll need 500 euros in cash.
Wait.
Di sana, ia terkejut mengetahui bahwa Inquiline ternyata seorang perempuan.
Now you look less American. That was you? An hour. If you're not followed, we'll talk.
So how long has it
He
been?
fell out of a window. The cache, encrypt the file.
Which man, because we were to begin with.
Months. In the last 3 years.
They won't find you here. As far as I can tell, they operate as middlemen, find a way to pull him out of the dark.
Ia menyusun daftar orang yang bertanggung jawab terhadap pembunuhan istrinya. Lalu ia berencana mengejar Mishka yang berada di Madrid, Spanyol.
We need to project this agency will.
You're the first person my predecessor bring away. But
Yet here we are.
to me,
Hey, Brian. Down. At this very same scissor. I can't remember. Good talk.
play. There's nightclub, rooftop pool, field.
Now, for him. This...
To clear the rooftop for him.
Ambitious plans were given notes with air gaps to improve the strength.
You haven't seen him shoot.
Our surveillance tape. Now I will find him. Heller.
Sambil merakit bom kendali jarak jauh,
There's always more. And the man at the bar. I have an ID on him.
Was planned. She was terrified. This is a remote that controls a device. One person. No.
Henderson, tethered your way. Go towards
peringatan Inquiline tentang agen CIA di hotel membuat Charlie selamat dari penyergapan itu.
You've got to go.
As far as I know, still on bereavement.
He's talking to somebody.
Murky at best.
Istanbul?
Line. Codename Inkwell.
Charlie kembali ke Turki untuk menyusun langkah berikut.
Not so sure that's it.
A certain sound at a certain... Then suddenly there's... Every moment... Is it how you... Codename this place.
What's wrong?
Tengah malam, suara ayam kalkun mengusik tidur mereka, pertanda musuh yang mendekat. Dalam pelarian, Inquiline tertembak dan tewas di tempat. Charlie dengan cepat mengambil setir mobil untuk lari dari lokasi kejadian. Selanjutnya, Charlie menuju rumah dia dan menemui Alice di sebuah gudang.
40 minutes ago.
Ia mengancam Alice dengan bom yang ada di dalam peti, serta memaksa Alice untuk membeberkan lokasi Horst berada.
London?
I didn't shoot her. Fine. Gone.
Well, then you are of no use to me. 1,000 miles of coastline. Which sea? You deliver them.
He calls in there, and that's it.
Your phone. Your phone.
There. See?
You're right.
See, I'm not lying. Please! Wait!
In Rome.
The little prick is now at a museum.
He just got on a tram in Prague.
Charlie pun bertolak ke Primorsk, Rusia. Memantau anak buah Horst di pelabuhan. Tanpa sengaja, ia bertemu dengan teman lamanya serta memberitahukan Charlie bahwa CIA sedang memburu dirinya.
You're here to kill me?
No, that's not really what I do. You think, what does an assassin look like? That's not just to fly it around to prove to himself that he want to show you something. Here to save your life. That's pretty cold-blooded. You think I'm here on my own. Shit, man. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I understand what's. She would want you home, man.
Setelah membeli peralatan untuk membuat perangkat kendali jarak jauh, Charlie diculik anak buah Horst dan dibawa ke kapal milik sang mafia.
Patches?
I think I'm running you.
What are you? You're afraid? I have proof. I'll face my wife's killer.
So the thing is all your revenge. She took the place of someone else. I had to. You are not so different. Suffocated a woman in her. Each time. Escape the mousetrap. To run just means you're here to kill me. Take it.
Di atas kapal, Horst menawarkan pistol agar Charlie menuntaskan balas dendam. Namun, Charlie sengaja mengulur-ngulur waktu sampai kapal melintasi zona batas perairan Rusia ke zona internasional. Di sana, pasukan Finlandia dan Interpol datang menangkap Horst tanpa perlawanan.
Bullshit. I've taken control.
You're on CIA.
So, I'm the transmitter. Navy. And Interpol.
Bukti-bukti Charlie juga menjerat Direktur Mort dan Kepala Kantor CIA atas penyalahgunaan wewenang dalam misi ilegal. Dengan tekad dan kecerdikannya, Charlie berhasil membongkar konspirasi yang merenggut nyawa Sarah sekaligus menjatuhkan para pelaku ke meja hukum.
And you keep on surprising me.
Doing.
Yeah. You're around, Charlie.